If you own a Dyson V12 or V15 Detect, you will see this graph every time you turn your vacuum cleaner on. But what does it actually mean? Is it useful or is it just a load of Today I'm going to show you exactly what the graph means. We're going to think about if it's genuine or if it's just a gimmick, and also I'm going to show you a hidden feature on your Dyson in the display that makes it a whole lot better. So here's what the bars actually mean. The yellow one indicates particles that you can't see, like allergens and pollen. The orange one is displaying microscopic dust and stuff like skin flakes. The pink one is stuff like fine sand. And finally, the purple one are grains of sugar and anything bigger than that. This sounds so clever, right? But here's my honest opinion. It's annoying. It's a load of I just want to vacuum my house, you know what I mean? I'm not going to study a graph as I'm doing it. But I want to know what you think. Please put it in the comments. Do you use this thing or do you just ignore it like me? I would love to know the most popular opinion. And now for the hidden feature on your Dyson's display. We're going to make it a whole lot better. We're going to turn this graph off. To do this, you need to go into your Dyson's menu by holding the silver button. You then have to press it twice and then hold it again. Now press it twice again and hold it until it says particle count off. Press it twice again and then hold the button while it counts down, and this will exit the menu. You have now turned your graph off, so if it really gets on your nerves like it does me, your display will be a whole lot better. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more Dyson help videos. This next one is showing you what to do if your Dyson keeps cutting out.